Two of the favorite songs of LJ, Request na Again and Falling in Love by Elvis Presley, and When I Met You. So again, my name is Miss Mapo from LVC Events. Like us on Facebook, please. LVC Events po on Facebook and LVC Photo and Films Production. And please watch me po for my TV appearances po at Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Afternoon Prime po yan, starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villarreal. So nasa Facebook Reels po yan, 8,800 views. YouTube, 2.3 and 2.4 million views po. Alright, September 21 to 22 episodes. Ayan. And of course, yesterday, nag-air na rin po yung episode ko sa Pipito Manaloto starring Michael B. So sa Facebook Reels po, may 2,000 views na yan as of yesterday. And YouTube po, I think 180,000 views already, yung full episode. Alright. Coming soon also, GMA Prime starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, Raver Cruz, and Dizel Lopez. 9:30